We have reached planting day. I have one baby. It's growing well. Goes first 2 leaves and the next one just starting. And you can see the roots are popping out the sides of this little starter. So what we're going to do is just pop that into some compost. We're going to bury it a little bit deeper than the pug. So we're going to support the little tiny stem just a little bit so it doesn't fall over. And then going to give it a little drinky. Just going to water just around the little seedling first. And this is fresh compost, so it's a bit dry, so I'm going to give it a regular drink every few minutes until I see that it's starting to soak up the water a little bit. Now this little baby is going to stay here, and this light is going to be on for 18 hours a day and then 6 hours darkness. And hopefully this little baby is going to start to grow and become a nice big happy plant and give me lots of medicine. The other two, we have no germination at all on this one. And this one kind of looks like it's started, but I don't know if it's going to work. I'll give it a little bit longer. It's still a little bit damp. Okay, so the first one is planted. We can maybe germinate the other two. If not, then we'll start some more seeds and hopefully they will germinate. Not every seed is going to be a successful one. Sometimes they die. Sometimes the conditions aren't quite right. And sometimes they grow and turn into little beautiful plants. But it's a bit hit and miss sometimes. So we're going to keep this one happy now. I'm going to turn on this fan. This is just for air circulation. This doesn't heat the air at all. I'm not going to direct it at the plant. I'm just going to move the air around the tent. And that circulation of air will help keep the plant fed with carbon dioxide and also help to distribute the heat more evenly throughout the tent. Okay, so I can feel this is starting to soak up a little bit of the water now. So I'm just going to keep adding a little bit more water throughout the day until it's absorbed enough. And then we'll keep checking it every day, giving it a little drinky every day. And then hopefully in a few weeks' time, we will have a beautiful flowering plant. But still a tiny, tiny baby now, and anything could happen. So stay tuned if you want to see this baby grow into a big happy plant. And I will see you in the next video.